Hello kids. Let's play the alphabet game together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hello kids. Let's play the alphabet game together one more time.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for eyes. F for frog. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for notebook. O for orange. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for star. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for Christmas. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.